M1161 Growler and M1163 Prime Mover. The M1161 Growler is officially the internally transportable light strike vehicle designed specifically for use with the V-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft. The M1161 and M1163 are the only tactical vehicles certified to fly in the V-22. Fulfilling multiple roles of light utility, light strike and fast attack vehicle, the M1161 Growler is smaller than most international vehicles in the same role. It has taken over duties of the M151 Jeep-type variants and replaced the Interim Fast Attack Vehicle. A separate U.S. Marine Corps variant, the shorter two-seat M1163 Prime Mover is combined with the M327 towed 120mm heavy mortar, and also became its ammunition hauler after the M1162 trailer was cancelled.